Is curry always non-vegetarian? When the topic of curry arises, it is commonly linked with non-vegetarian dishes. However, it's crucial to note that this association doesn't always hold. In the UK's curry houses, for instance, truly authentic curry is not served. Surprisingly, popular dishes like biryani and samosa, often considered as curry, have Persian and Arab origins, respectively. Similarly, naan and chapati enjoyed with curry are not originally Tamil dishes but North Indian. In the realm of Tamil curry, there are two primary classifications, vegetarian and non-vegetarian, both equally popular. However, due to increased health consciousness, there is a notable resurgence in the popularity of vegetarian options. In both India and Sri Lanka's Tamil areas, vegetarian restaurants are referred to as Saiva Kadai, and the vegetarian meal they offer is known as Saiva meals. The term Saivas in Tamil refers to a subsect of Hinduism, specifically Tamils who worship Lord Shiva as their primary god. In contrast, Islamic Tamil restaurants, known for their non-vegetarian cuisine, are commonly called Bai Kadai. This religious distinction likely emerged when Islam and Christianity arrived in Tamil regions. Saivis don't normally eat beef. In Tamil, Kadai typically refers to a retail outlet or selling establishment. It's worth noting that, as military forces, Clive Roberts' team must have had Tamil Islamic chefs for their non-vegetarian food preparation, especially beef. Saiva Hindus abstain from consuming beef for religious reasons, mirroring the Islamic avoidance of pork. In contrast, Christians, adhering to a different religious practice, consume both. This historical convergence illustrates the varied cultural and culinary influences that have shaped Tamil cuisine amid diverse religious communities. The introduction of non-vegetarian cuisine to Bengal by Clive Roberts and his military battalion from Madras was the catalyst that propelled the popularity of curry in the Bengal region. It's noteworthy that curry retained its non-vegetarian characteristics as it made its way to the UK. In UK curry houses, meats like venison, beef, and pork are not commonly available, unlike chicken and mutton. Wheat roti paratha, a popular Tamil dish, is enjoyed internationally. Interestingly, unlike prawn curries, other curries such as fish, squid, and crab curries are not typically available in curry houses. A myriad of vegetable curries provides a diverse array of choices. Delectable options include fried aubergine curry, flavorful red lentil curry, and satisfying spinach curry, all accompanied by a refreshing tomato onion salad, crispy papadam, and tangy rasam. Special mentions go to unique options such as pumpkin cassava white curry, potato bean fried curry with yogurt, and tomato spicy curry with brown rice, just to name a few. The variety of vegetarian options available is extensive. Renowned Tamil restaurants exclusively serving vegetarian cuisine have gained global recognition. London boasts few branches of this popular restaurant chain, witnessing a remarkable surge in demand for healthy vegan and vegetarian choices, growing an impressive 750% in the last 5 years. Supermarkets and restaurant chains should consider offering a diverse range of vegetarian curry options to meet this rising demand. In conclusion, while curry is often associated with non-vegetarian dishes, it is crucial to recognize the diverse range of vegetarian options available in Tamil curry. The popularity of vegetarian curries is on the rise, and establishments must adapt to this growing demand.